to get the door open, do a walk around. Let's do the walk around first and then we'll do the door. Okay, there we go. So walk around is done, and let's launch. Get the old bird out to Claire's home. Well, here we are, folks. We're in the plane, ready to head off to Claire's home for the up-and-coming annual. Just let her warm up a little bit here. Welcome traffic, it's Cherokee, Charlie, Charlie, November. We're taxiing from the ramp, and we'll probably be doing a backtrack on for runway 16. We'll advise taking or backtracking. Welcome traffic, it's Charlie, Charlie, November. Well, let's see, that's pretty well figuring out. Actually, with that, I could probably take off on 34, but let's just do 16. That'll be the right way anyway. Vulcan traffic, Charlie, Charlie, November, entering the backtrack for runway 16, Vulcan. Give that oil temperature some time to warm up a little bit more. It's reading about 77 right now, Fahrenheit. Okay, everything's on. Welcome traffic, Charlie, Charlie, November, departing runway 16. It'll be a straight out departure direct to Claire's home. Okay, here we go, folks. Vulcan traffic, Cherokee Charlie Charlie November. 4,500, we're direct to Claire's home, clearing the zone to the south. Vulcan traffic, it's Cherokee Charlie Charlie November. Well, a little bit hazy. They were talking about some smoke from California that was supposed to be moving up this way. So that may be what it is. That's in the upper levels, they were saying, but I can pretty well see that the bounds are somewhat obscured.
4,500 north, turning north, fishing on her, taking us up.
So while cruising at 4,500 feet, what I thought I would do is take the camera function on my cell phone and take some shots of the cylinder head and exhaust gas temperature of my engine on all 4 cylinders. So that's what I'm doing right here at this time. And also what I'll also be doing is taking a picture of my my RPM indicator. That's the remote RPM indicator, which is on the top of the panel. The digital, that's a digital one. The mechanical one on the bottom middle there, it reads about 100 RPM lower. So I thought this would be sufficient data to give to the mechanics to have a look at and help them out in their assessment if it's required. Now on the bottom right of your screen there, you'll notice a reservoir. That's actually the Twin Valley campground areas, or it's the Twin Valley Reservoir, and associated with that is a campground. I was surprised actually. We went there to have a look at it later on, and it's actually quite nice. Obviously, when we went there was only a couple of people parked there because it was near the end of the season. But the weekly rates are $150 for power, and non-powered are $120. Daily rates are non-powered $20 and powered is $25. And unique payment methods, cash or check at the self-registration booth. You can even do it through a credit card by calling a specific number, or you can just e-transfer the money to a specific website. And the amenities, they have an outhouse, camp shelter, day use area, boat launch, lots of walking trails. There's just hordes of them. You could probably get lost out there. And horseshoe pits. You got to bring your own horseshoes though. Anyway, it was quite a nice area. Now, mind you, it is a reservoir, and it's actually quite large, as you can tell by the area that we're overflying here. So that's the Twin Valley campgrounds, and it's made. The reservoir is actually as a result of a dam that they've located right across a valley there, and that's how they got that reservoir in there.
So we might as well switch over to Claire's home now. So
Heli traffic, Don Charlie, India Alpha 6, this is 972, Golf Whiskey Victor Romeo, currently about 3 miles to the north of the field. We're doing an overhead, we're doing a field inspection in about 2 minutes. Any conflict, so please advise Whiskey Victor Romeo.
Claire's home traffic, it's Cherokee Charlie Charlie November. We're 10 nautical miles to the north of the field. Presently at 4,500. We'll be doing overhead arrival Claire's home. I think we'll do just a gradual climb here to get above this, to get it above circuit altitude here. Claire's home traffic is Cherokee Charlie Charlie November, 5 nautical miles south of the field. We're now at 5,000 feet. We'll be joining the circuit from overhead the field. Claire's home traffic, it's Cherokee Charlie Charlie November. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, Sierra November, turning final runway 21, full stop, clear zone. Clear zone traffic, Charlie, Sierra November's clearing runway 21, clear zone. Oh, there's a helicopter sitting in the field out there. Okay, so beside the Comanche. All right, we can do that.
Well, it sure looks empty in here. What do you think, Piper? Yeah, folks, it looks like it's going to be probably late next week sometime before they start working at the airplane, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, we'll get back to you later, folks. Probably drive out there next week sometime and to see how they're coming along, and maybe take some shots of what they're actually doing with the aircraft. Hopefully it's not going to be one of those expensive years like it was last year. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.